And welcome to today's episode of Jim's Raw Cooking. Today we will be making a broccoli and watercress soup. Hopefully it'll be alright. Which is apparently my most said word on the show. Alright? Alright? Yeah, okay. So, what we're going to start off with is our broccoli, of which we need 300 grams. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut the ends off the broccoli. We're going to measure it out as we go. Hopefully that will be enough. What I'm doing today is I'm just going to make it in a soup maker because I am very pressed for time. So just a quick one today. And we're going to have to scale this down because I do not have enough broccoli. Whoops. Alright, so it's going to be slightly less broccoli and slightly more everything else. Which is alright, because we've done a lot of broccoli recently. What we're going to do is we're going to cut some of these bigger pieces down a little bit so they blend nicely, blend more finely in the soup maker. So this is supposed to be 300 grams of broccoli, but I've only got 200 because I didn't plan properly. We're also going to need 30 grams of watercress. We're going to need 40 grams of cashew nuts, 1 onion, clove of garlic, lemon juice, which is the lemon that we zested for yesterday's video. I think it was yesterday's. And then vegetable stock and salt and pepper. And that should be all we eat. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to do our onion. Just going to chop that in half. Honest, we're going to do the onion. Probably need to sharpen my knife again. You've seen me do this a million times. Just peel off the layers. There you go. Let's do this one as well. This one's got a little bit of a bad bit, so I'm going to try and cut that off. Like that. And that should be a bit better. Alright, so we're going to slice this thinly. I'm going to get my bowl ready. Should be alright, I think. Making sure I've got that end bit chopped a little bit nicer. And I can go in there. So just 1 medium large onion in this one. Like that. And then we'll do the other half. Oh. This one's being particularly nasty for my eyes. Oh, so emotional. I'm going to cry on camera. Oh, yeah, this one is stinging a little bit. Oh. Okay, so that's most of our ingredients ready now. We just need to do our little piece of garlic. And then we've got the lemon juice to get. So we zested the lemon in the parsnip and vanilla one. And now we're going to actually use the juices from inside. We're just chopping this garlic thinly. Being very careful with my fingers. Oh, that onion really was bad. Oh. That's hurt my eyes. I'm gonna cry. So emotional. Okay, we're gonna pop that in with our onion. It's all going in the soup maker anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna get on with our limone. So we're gonna chop that in half, like that. Oh, nice lemon. And then we're just going to use my juicer. Go like that. We need about a tablespoon of lemon juice, I think. So I'm not sure if we're only going to need 1/2 or what. I'll check after one. Let's see how much lemon juice we have. That is pretty juiced. Go in there. And that's probably going to be enough to do just 1/2. So I'm just going to pop this one in the fridge in a clean space, and we'll see if we can use that in a recipe tomorrow, hopefully. Yes, okay, so what else do we need? We need, sorry, bad planning. We need bouillon, or vegetable stock. So we need 500 milliliters of vegetable stock. That's about 1.5 of these, give or take. Alright, so we've got fairly warm water, boiled before I started. Just up to the line like that. Woo! Okay, so now that we've got all of our billion ingredients, I'm going to scooch over to the soup maker. Alright, so I'm going to pop our onion and garlic in, and our broccoli, like that. And then we're going to get our watercress and our cashew nuts. I'm actually just going to tear up these watercress pieces a little bit as I put them in. It's a little bit high up in the soup maker, but hopefully that should be reasonable. Get the cashew nuts in there as well, and then it's actually okay because it's got even though it's quite high up, it's got a lot of air in there. So hopefully this should water it down a bit. Alright, that didn't go very well. Still a lot of stuff in there. Okay, we've got our lemon juice as well. So put some of that in. And then we've got salt and pepper. Like that. Okay, that's a bit much salt here. And then what I'm going to try and do is mush that about a bit. Try and squash it all down a little bit so it's actually going to fit in, which it is. And that's good. So this one should be quite a healthy one today, which is not too much of one for super healthy stuff. We'll have to do like a lard soup tomorrow, obviously. What we're going to do, just because I'm an unhealthy person who takes really healthy soups, I'm going to put a piece of butter in, because why not? Alright, so now that that's all in there, and it looks disgustingly healthy, we're going to pop the lid on. Alright, so now we'll move everything out of the way, I'll put it in, turn the power on, and this is going to be a blended soup today, so I'll press the cream soup, and the cooking process is so exciting. I did it, are you proud of me? You better be. Alright, so yeah, you can, well, I have to wait 23 minutes, you just get to go to it. So yeah, I'll clean up, I'll see you in a bit, bye! And alright, it's about done. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to turn the power off. Did you enjoy time travel, by the way? Nice thing. Oops. Yeah, I just had to sit here for 20 minutes. Much less exciting. Okay, so that looks promising. It's gone down a bit. Can you just break that quickly? Interesting. Okay, so you'd like to see it. It looks like broccoli and stuff. It looks almost exactly the same as the broccoli and Stilton one. Surprisingly enough. I've had enough of broccoli now. Okay. Yeah, there's really not that much. Ah, it's also very hot. And I just dropped a little bit on me. Ah. Right. Please be careful when pouring the broccoli soup. Try not to burn yourself. Otherwise it's going to hurt. Alright. This doesn't look... To be honest, I don't think I'll make this one again by the looks of it. Because it looks too healthy for me. Alright, so let's have a little taste though. Just waiting for it to cool down a little bit. That's right, actually. It's not too bad. It's definitely broccoli soup. Oh, and look, I've burnt myself now. See that? Oh, that's fun. It's gonna be annoying. So, I'm gonna finish off there. I'm gonna run my hand under a cold tap because I'm an idiot. And yes, this was the 18th or so episode of Jim's Raw Cooking, and we made broccoli and watercress soup. It was only a quick one, but if you have any other suggestions, please let me know. Bye!